FlexiRide has arrived in the Lilydale area. The new on-demand service operates in Croydon, Mooralbark, Lilydale and Chirnside Park. There are no fixed routes. Passengers can book a trip from their nearest physical or virtual bus stop and travel to and from the designated hubs in the same service area. It runs from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. weekdays and 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Saturdays, and only when bookings have been made. FlexiRide is a cashless service, so make sure you top up your MyKey before you travel. Book your trip on the FlexiRide app or by calling 03 8710 6377. To learn more about FlexiRide, visit ptv.vic.gov.au/FlexiRide.